Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now in this video we are going to understand something about matrix. Okay, so as you can see, this is our 2D array which we are calling a matrix, but in our current video we are going to only consider problem of a 2D array which we are considering matrix, and we are going to solve a problem of printing array in snake pattern, right? We have written the logic for it already. I'm going to explain you what we have done here. First of all, we are supposed to print it in a snake pattern, which is first 45, 48, 54, then 87, 89, 21, and then 70, 78, 15. So to do that, what we have done, we have taken a loop which will run till matrix length, which is basically 3, which is also the number of rows. So inside what we are doing, so we are checking if our row value, right, is even or odd. If it is even, then we are printing from left to right. If it is odd, then we are printing from right to left. Okay, so let's say this is 0, this is even. So when this is even, we are going to print left to right, which is 45, 48, 54. Then we are getting 1. So 1 is an odd value. Here we are going to print right to left, which is 87, 89, and 21. Again this is even, which is 2. So we are going to print from left to right, that is 70, 78, 15. That's the same thing that we have written here. If it's even, we are taking that particular index value and we are printing it from left to right. Else we know the value of I is odd. So what we are doing, we are printing the contents of the particular array in right to left order. So with that logic, you are able to get the snake pattern, which is like this. So let's print it and see if we are able to get it or not. We could have taken this input in a single line as well, but I have written it like that so we can see that pattern as well. So yeah, we are getting 45, 48, 54, which is correct. 45, 48, 54. Now we are supposed to get 87, 89, 21, 87, 89, 21, which is correct again. And then we are supposed to get 70, 78, 15. And we are getting 70, 78, 15. So you can see we are able to print this our 2D array element, which is a matrix, in a snake pattern. Now there are so many other patterns as well for matrix, like print in a zigzag pattern. Also there is a very popular interview question of printing the elements in spiral form. So those also you can practice. For the concept wise, I have taken just a 2D array. I have told you there are advanced concept. We have people have to, where people will take 3D array and even 4D in some cases, and some people even go level higher than that. So just don't confuse yourself, make sure your basics are strong for 2D arrays, and then only you go ahead. So that's all I wanted to explain as part of this video. See you on the next one.